Hello everyone, my name is Cody with SpryLyfe Medical, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Respironics SimplyGo Mini. To start off, I'm going to take everything out of the box to show you what is included with the SimplyGo Mini. And first we have the battery, the custom carrying case, the manual, the AC power brick, other part of that AC power supply, the DC power supply, the soft solder strap, and then the machine. Now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up the Respironics SimplyGo Mini for your first time use. First thing we have to do is put the battery and slide it into the bottom of the machine. And then we can insert the machine into the custom carry case. And on the right side, you can see that there's the cannula insert right here. So you put the cannula on, and you are all set and good to go. And to power on the SimplyGo Mini, you just have to press the power button twice, which is touchscreen. And then the machine will turn on. As you can see, there's a number 2 here. You can change your setting by pressing that number 2. There's a plus and a minus button, so you can go up or down. To go back to the home screen, there's a home button that you can just click. And then a settings icon. So in that settings icon, you can scroll through, change the brightness, the sound, as well as go through the alerts, and then change the language if you are not going to be using it in English. And to power down the machine, you just press the power button twice. The dimensions of the Respironics SimplyGo Mini are 9.4 inches high by 3.6 inches deep and 8.3 inches wide. And the Respironics SimplyGo Mini does only weigh 5 pounds, has a flow setting of 1 up to 5. On the standard battery, the setting of 2, it will last 4.5 hours away from the car and the wall charger. On a setting of 2 with the extended battery, it will last 9 hours away from that car and wall charger. This machine is perfect for those who are looking to get out and about because it's very small and lightweight. It does have a very long battery as well, so if you're looking to travel inside of the US, it'll be perfect to take with you to make traveling a breeze. And if you're interested in the SimplyGo Mini or want to find out some more information on other machines, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be notified for any new videos we put out. Most importantly, if you are interested in the SimplyGo Mini, make sure to give the number below a call or visit SpryLyfe.com. If you do call that number, you'll be able to speak with a respiratory specialist right over the phone.